I'm Christopher Bright, and I'm a lifelong resident of Fairfax County, and I'm a historian. So in the early Cold War, when the United States feared the prospect of a bomber attack by the Soviet Union, the United States government built launching sites for anti-aircraft missiles around the country, around important locations, including around Washington. And 3 of those sites were in Fairfax County. One of them, the first in the country and one of the most important in the country, was here in Lorton. In 1954, when the Army opened this missile site, there were 24 Nike Ajax-style missiles. By 1958, though, they added a different type, a different version, the Nike Hercules nuclear missile, which carried a nuclear warhead, which was designed to destroy attacking bombers before they hit Washington, D.C. These sites weren't at all secret. They were open to the public. There were open houses, visiting days, and the soldiers who were stationed here were encouraged to get involved in the community and become part of Fairfax County. Now, once the nuclear warheads came in 1958, they still maintained that community visibility, but obviously security became much tighter, and there were additional provisions put into place because of the presence of nuclear warheads. Behind us we see administrative buildings, barracks, and areas where the 100 soldiers that were assigned here would eat and spend their day. The stations, of course, were manned 24 hours a day, so there was always folks here on duty, maintaining the missiles, doing administrative or maintenance work. So while Fairfax County had a role in the Cold War in many different ways, this is one little aspect that's probably little known to most of the residents in the county, and something important maybe to keep in mind on our 275th anniversary year. Individuals and citizens of the county that are interested in this topic can go to the Virginia Room at the Fairfax County Public Library and learn more.